Hello friends, welcome to Joe's Kitchenette A to E. Today I am going to explore you with one of the Asian grocery store in Atlanta. Every time I visit India, people used to ask me what are the things we can get here. Come let's go and check inside what are the things we have here. First of all, I am going all my way to get some vegetables. Here you can have a look at some of the mirchi varieties, salan mirchi, bhaji mirchi. Here you can also see some eggplants, lemon, oranges, broccoli, spring onion, beans, carrot, bitter gourd, bananas, mangoes. You can see here some of the coconuts. I'm going to take one, but we have to be little careful because there won't be any exchange or return back of money if it's spoiled. Now, can you see here jackfruit, drumsticks, cauliflower, cabbage, raw papaya, capsicum, different varieties of tomatoes, garlic, small onions. You can also find some banana stem, banana flower, turmeric roots, aloe vera. I don't know what exactly it is. Here you can see tindora, brinjal, flat beans, ash gourd, pumpkin, coriander leaves, raw banana, ladyfinger, fenugreek leaves. We can also find drumstick leaves here, but it won't be available all the time. We have gongura, spinach, mint leaves. I'll take 3 to 4 packets each and every time I visit here. Here you can see ginger, radish, rich gourd, curry leaves. I'm going to take 3 packets here. And we can also find some of the vegetables in frozen section. Here you can see all the vegetables like drumstick, chiku, grated coconut, sliced coconut, amla. Along with normal coconut, I used to purchase this sliced coconut every time. Here you can find all the vegetables. I'm going to grab some green peas. You can see amla, bitter gourd, we can also find some sweets like wheat puttu, brown puttu, wheat paratha, laddus, besan laddus, pastry sweets, different types of rasmalais. You can see kaju katli, this kaju peda, besan laddu, and these are some of the homemade sweets. I'm going to take some paneer. You can see Amul brand varieties here. This is one of the famous brand in India. I'm going to take some yogurt. There are so many flavors in this. I'm going to take low fat yogurt. This is puja session. You can find all the varieties, all the things that you need for any special occasions or special festivals. You can get everything here. This is holy water like Ganga Jal, Gomutram, Sindoor, Kumkum, and some of the cloths we use for god and goddesses during Varalakshmi Vratam or Satyanarayan Swami Vratam, garlands, beautiful photo frames. In each and every billion session you can find a mini fancy store. Now in this counter you can find curd chilies, These are some of the spices that we used on for cooking on regular basis, like fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander. These are some of the pickles. You have Priya brands and Mother's brand here. You can find mixed vegetable pickles, mango pickles, lemon pickles, amla, and some of the gravy items like varthakolambu and all, tamarind paste, pulihodare paste, etc. Here you can see some of the mixes, pav bhaji mix and all. Here this is red chilies, red chili powder, turmeric, mustard seeds, green cardamom, spices. You can see there you have Boost, Horlicks, Bonvita. These are some of the food colors and sherbets you have here. These are some of the Ayurvedic medicines for older people, I guess. Some of the oils. We can find all the Indian brand cosmetics here. Fem Oxy Bleach, Meswak Paste, Dabur Red, Colgate, Goodworth's, Dettol. And you can see these are hair colors. Again, these are some of the oils over here. And this is the counter where we can find all the oils: coconut oil, Vatika, Parachute hair oils. These are the pulses: tur dal, chena dal, black gram, whole urd, green grams, roasted chena, black chena, peanuts. You can find here some of the puppets. My kids like this very much. This is kala chena, soya beans. We have some soya chunks also here. These are all the ready-made, ready-to-eat items. You have onion samosas. What is this? Dokla, paneer masala, chena masala, mixed vegetable kurma. We have all the varieties from each and every state. Like what are the items that are famous in each and every states, like in Gujarat to Tamil Nadu, we can find every famous items in here. We have paratas. These are millets. We have all the millets here. We can also find broomsticks here. These are some of the snack items. Tea time snacks. You have save, kara bundi, sweet bundis. All the roasted pulses over here, chena dal. In this counter you can find all the cookies that we find in India: Parle-G, Milk Bikis, Bourbon, Britannia Good Day. Here you can also find some jackfruit chips, banana chips. On the top you can find rusk of different brands can be seen here. The good thing is here we have some of the homemade varieties also, and some of the famous brands like Haldiram's, Bombay Kitchen, Madurai Foods, Raj Foods, everything, Gokul Sweets we can find here. Here can you see here, this is palm sugar, jaggery. Almost it covers everything. We can find everything here, but a little bit costlier than what we get in India. This is armchair. Curd chilies. This is one of my favorite. Here we can also find some nuts. But I usually purchase all the nuts in Costco where I can get in wholesale price. We can have here chironji, sabza seeds, dill seeds. This is palm sugar, jaggery. Here you can also find some candy sweets. These are ready to use. You have mango pulp, pineapple, rasmalai, gulab jam. And these are some of the flours we can get here. Besan flour, ragi, suji, atta. And we can have too many varieties of rice bags also here. These are some of the brands. We can get here basmati rice, boiled rice, idli rice, dosa rice and brown rice. With this my shopping was done. I am going to the checkout area. As of now, signing off for the day. If you liked my video, please give a thumbs up. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.